If you work with 3D scan data or heavy photogrammetry, you know the nightmare of dealing with millions of messy triangles. But what if your software was smart enough to fix it for you automatically? Welcome to Quadify Ultra. Let's take this imported skeleton model. It looks fine from afar, but jump into wireframe mode and yeah, it's heavily triangulated, impossible to edit, and currently sitting at 0% quads. Instead of guessing which remeshing algorithm to use, Quadify Ultra introduces a brand new machine learning routing engine. It actively analyzes your mesh and automatically selects the right algorithm from 5 different methods. It even gives you a confidence score before you commit and learns from the community opt-in users to get smarter over time. Once you hit Quadify, the engine takes over. It routes the mesh, optimizes the geometry, and processes the heavy lifting. All rule-based, deterministic, and fully artist-controlled. No guesswork. And just like that, we have beautifully clean quads. Look at the edge flow around the skull and jaw. Checking our results panel, we went from almost 100,000 messy triangles to a highly optimized quad-dominant mesh, cutting our face count by nearly 70% while preserving all the underlying details. Quadify Ultra supports batch processing, Voxel Remesh and Transfer, and is built for Blender 5.0 and above. No subscriptions, just a one-time purchase with lifetime updates. Get clean quads with clear intent today. Link in the description.